Now all of the octahedral complex, most of the octahedral complex have either paired electrons or they have unpaired electrons. The presence of unpaired electrons in the octahedral complexes gives a rise to a variety of properties of the octahedral complexes. They gave rise to magnetic properties also. So how we can determine those magnetic properties, how we can estimate or give a value to these magnetic properties? We can do that by calculating the spin only magnetic moment. To calculate the spin only magnetic moment, we have a formula in which we have written mu is equal to under root of n plus n into n plus 2. In this case, mu here it represents the spin only magnetic moment, and n here represents the number of unpaired electrons. The spin only magnetic moment, its units are Bm. Bm stands for Bohr magneton. So that is the spin only magnetic moment. So depending upon your complex, when you draw the entire complex and write the electrons in the 3D and make the orbital pairing and everything, after that you can determine the number of unpairing electrons, and after determining the number of unpaired electrons you can straight away substitute it in this formula and you can calculate the spin only magnetic moment. Now we have a question. In this question it states that in nitroprusside ion, the ion and NO exist as Fe2 positive and NO positive rather than Fe3 positive and NO. Okay, so whenever NO is present, okay, with Fe, NO always is present as NO positive. Always it is going to be present as NO positive. So it says that these forms can be differentiated by estimating the concentration of ion, measuring the concentration of the cyanide ligand, measuring the solid state magnetic moment, or thermally decomposing the compound. In the first one we have Fe2 positive. In the second one we have Fe3 positive. That is, the first form has Fe2 positive, the second form has Fe3 positive. Now Fe2 positive and Fe3 positive are obviously going to have different number of unpaired electrons. So if they have different number of unpaired electrons, obviously the spin only magnetic moment is going to become different. So yes, we can differ or we can differentiate between them by measuring the solid state magnetic moment. So this is your correct option.